Hey guys, Bulldog here. Today is my birthday.
Happy birthday to you.
Today is my birthday.
Happy birthday to you.
Stop. So today, guess what I got? Eli Balboa. You got it right. Fix It Felix arcade machine. Here's demo. Alright, there's a demo, and we are gonna unbox it. There we go. So here we are, unboxing them. Oh wait, and I also got other games I got for Christmas. These are for your birthday, you mean? These are for the PlayStation, Kingdom Hearts 3, and, oh god, Fallout 4, the edition. And also in my card collection, Bryce Harper, first ever card, Phillies card, and then Bobby Orr 1972 card, $100. So now back to unboxing it. Unboxing. Oh. Oh, there's like a cardboard box under here. This is why it's hard. And now, here we go. There it is. Now, dang it. Can't get it out. I can't. Oh, jeez, guys. This isn't working. What happens if I press on it off? We probably need batteries to start this. It comes with batteries.
Dad, thank you.
Guys, we got it. Guys, look at this.
Dad,
we got the start. I even know if you could do this. Instructions. I don't even know how to fix my camera. So here we go. Level 1. Here we go. Oh, I'm good at this. This game's easy, actually. This game looks easy. Dang it. It's not like letting me jump. Wait, come on. Come on. I'm definitely not used to this game yet. There's no jump button. Oh, come on, I fell. There we go. There, another one. Oh, I just ate a pie. What's going on? Hey. Oh no, I fell. Imagine if this is actually the real Wreck-It Ralph. No! I died. Is it yours? Game over. This game is actually good.
It's also Higgins' older brother's birthday.
Alright, I'm gonna play one more before I stop this video. I can fix it.
They would probably like it better if they actually just
No, it pauses. Alrighty, I can fix it!
You walk up to the windows and then you just move up. Yeah, that's how you do it.
There we go, I'm used to this game. Alrighty, there we go.
I'll just go up.
Oh no, we're climbing up now.
What the?
Oh wait, I just could go back down. Someone baked out a fresh pie. I like turtles and pie.
Made.
Time of my video's almost up, guys.
No, he's at the end. He's at the very top.
We're at the end. Come on. No!
Don't even tell me you died.
I'm gonna have to stop the video.
Don't stop it.
Yes, I do. I gotta. Guys, that's coming to the end of the video.